If your ashes is not white like that, your weed ain't clean, man. Do your weed got linalool in it? Is it high in myrcene? What your weed got in it, man? Nigga talk about you don't cough. My nigga, you know how long I've been smoking weed, man? You cough because you got brand new fucking baby lungs, man. I'm a fucking OG, man. What the fuck you talking about, man? You know how long I've been past the coughing stage? You know how many fucking years I've been past the coughing stage? You got them fucking BLs, man, them baby ass lungs, man. They tell you to be the fuck out of here, man. I'm a fucking veteran, man. Fuck you mean I ain't coughing? Fuck wrong with you? I had to smoke some fucking crack cocaine to cough, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, man? You got them baby ass lungs. You think Snoop still be coughing and shit? Nigga smoke 697,000 fucking L's. Them rookie ass lungs you got, man. And you be coughing off fucking dookie. Think about that. Your lungs take dookie. The fuck out of here, man. You ain't even coughing, nigga. What? I'm a motherfucking veteran. I smoke a fucking ounce a day. The fuck are you talking about? Nigga told me you ain't coughing. Rookie ass nigga. I was the nigga that invented the push-up challenge, nigga. Where you saw me take 10 puffs, inhale, don't let no fucking smoke out. I wasn't even fucking coughing then. What's wrong with you? We know my flour is the best. I got the only flour that's $60 in the seller books. Everything else is $30, $35. When my shit go on sale is $42. My shit on discount is more than that shit. That shit go on sale, that should be like $21. Just think about it, you bought an eighth of weed for $21. But that's that shit. What? This is crazy, man. I dropped my shit at the cookie store, right? Every fucking dispensary in Jersey bought that shit. Please. Can we get Gillie's, please? By the way, my shit in like 71 dispensaries in Pennsylvania, man. Pennsylvania, you need a medical card though, but